What's up, YouTube? Checking in with you guys. Want to give y'all an update on the build progress. So last video I let you guys know about a little package I was expecting. Well, good thing is UPS is ran and we've got something to unbox. Let's check it out. Alright guys, if you watched the last video, you already know what's in the box. But this is my first time opening. Everything is still sealed. I'm gonna have you guys open it with me. I'm super excited. Been waiting on getting one of these for a long time. What we got here on top, looks like we have Allen wrench, some bolts, one-handed does make everything more difficult. And finally, holy fucking shit. Look at this beautiful motherfucker right here. Alright, we're gonna sit you down and get her out. Alright guys, so you got a sneak peek of the battery. Needless to say, I'm pretty happy with it. I'm really ready to get it in the application in the vehicle to really see what kind of potential I get at half ohm with a 7500. But I've got a couple teammates that have the same battery. One of them's on a Sundown SCV 2K. I think his voltage actually goes up when the bass hits. I've got another teammate that has the same battery on an Ampere 8.0 and has really good voltage. Dropping high 13s, low 13s, excuse me, high 12s at the very, very lowest. And they're making good power. So, appreciate you guys checking out the video. Again, we have the Limitless 45 amp hour with the bus bars. So just in case you guys haven't checked it out, be sure to go check out this battery if it's something you're interested in online. This battery has 8,500 watts at 12 volts available, with 300 amps of charging as equivalent to 400 amp hour AGM. Batteries, it weighs 19.5 pounds. It's 4.5 inches tall, 7 inches deep, and 13.25 wide. We will definitely have some more videos about the battery once it's in the vehicle. Currently we have two excess power 7500s in the vehicle for the electrical in the rear now. So we're going to be swapping those two out for this 45 amp hour Limitless Lithium. We'll initially do some testing with the AGMs and the lithium added to it, and then lithium by itself. See what's going to work out better for us. From my experience and from watching others, it seems like the lithium only is going to be the way to go. I'm just concerned about my reserve charging power with lithium only. So again, I would love to get an 80 amp hour, but it's $1,000 more. So these batteries are expensive enough, and eventually if I need any more juice, I can always add another 45 amp hour and see where we go from there. But again, I appreciate you guys checking out the video. Be sure to stay tuned to the channel for updates. We have some more packages coming in later this week, so stay tuned. Until then, face on.